Welcome to the channel. I'm not here to walk you through DIY. I'm here to share my dream. I always wanted to do something I love and maybe even get paid for it. People say time disappears when you follow your passion, and they are right. It took me a while, trying random things, failing, laughing, until I finally found what makes my heart feel full: creating, mixing colors, making jewelry sparkle, turning ideas into something real. If you're watching this, I hope it inspires you to chase your own dream. Welcome to my world of DIY.